Everyone's always asking me, where do I find gold? Well, gold is where you find it. That's what many prospectors will tell you anyways. But how do you know where to start looking? Stick around and I'll tell you. Earlier this year, Prospectors Treasure Trove, a gold prospecting shop in Portland, Oregon, had two events, one in Southwest Washington and one in Southwest Oregon. These events are awesome for meeting like-minded people and expanding your knowledge of gold prospecting. You can ask a prospector where to find gold. Chances are they'll either shrug their shoulders and think you're lazy, or they'll send you to a popular spot with very little gold. First, ask yourself a couple questions. Has gold been found nearby where you live? And what's the history behind that gold? This can be accomplished by a pretty quick internet search, which I know you're capable of because you're watching this on the internet. Search for local gold clubs, search for clubs online like Facebook, and search for local prospecting stores. And you can always watch videos on YouTube to help perfect your knowledge. Local clubs often have claims, trips, and rental gear. Online clubs or groups are good for seeing what other people are finding and how they're finding it. Stores, obviously, so you can gear up, also because they have become a community center for prospectors in the region. Most shops will help you with locations, to find gold, or for methods to use. Don't forget to always check if a spot is claimed or open to the public. This information may not put you directly on the gold, and it may seem like a lot of work, but I promise you, this will put a lot more gold in your pocket. That's it for now. Be safe out there.